Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your favorite TikTok videos by reposting it. So if you got a TikTok video that you like and you want to anyone your friend to see it also, you can just repost that TikTok videos by following these steps right here. So first, you can just open or launch your TikTok app, and in here you can just explore by swiping it to the timeline through the FYP and find a video that you like. For example, in here I want to repost this video, so what you need to do is just click on the share button, this arrow at the right panel, and there will be the option to repost. This yellow buttons in here, you can just tap on that, and in here you'll see when you click on that there will be this shown you reposted this video. And how you can find that reposted video on your profile, you can now just go to your profile in here, and there will be at the center in here, this is the repost icon. So when you click on that, you'll find the video that you reposted, just like this. And if you want to repeat or you want to repost a video again, you can just do the exact same steps. So you can just swipe and find the video that you want to repost, click on the arrow, and then here click on repost. Okay, here the reposted video will directly shown in your profile, just like this. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can share your favorite TikTok videos with your friends by reposting it on TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can always leave a comment down below. And if you like with this content, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon or the like button in the bottom. And to keep supporting us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!